So hi guys, welcome to the channel Learn Concepts with Nikhil, Discover, Learn and Grow. So in this video, we will be learning about round function. Round function is not an aggregate function, but it is used commonly with the aggregate functions. For example, if there is a, I'll be, yeah, comment में रखूंगा. So if there is like 1 2 1 2.1 2 3 4 5 6 decimal के पास, like after decimal we got so many values, so many numbers are there. In order to make that number, yeah, like I don't want 1 2 3 4 5 6 after decimal. I just want 12.12. Mhm. I just want 12.12. So we can achieve it by the by round function, or else I want only 12. I don't want even decimal also. So then I can achieve it with the round function too. So let's go. The syntax of a round function is a round. Here is the number. Sorry, round number, and how many values you want to decrease करके. Like after decimal, how many values you want to decrease करके. You can keep here one or two, or if you want is no decimal after the number, like after the decimal dot, you can keep it as a zero. So this is the syntax of a round. So now let's do some practical implementation in MySQL service in interface MySQL Workbench per. So I will be selecting runs, average of runs from what's our table name? It's cricketers, right? So cricketers, and I've selected this, and this syntax will be giving this code will be giving us the average. But after average, there is like four zeros, right? Like after decimal, I don't want that four zeros. I want only one zero. So what we can do is, uh, we can round off. We are getting the number in average of runs, and I want only one decimal after one number after decimal. So ये क्या करेगा? It will be giving only one decimal. See, previous output में there were four decimals, but in this output we got only one decimal. I don't need any decimal only. Like मुझे decimal के बाद कुछ number नहीं चाहिए. So I can keep zero as well, and I can run this code, and there will be no decimal of there will be no number, and there will be no decimal point also. So this is all about run around, guys. So I'll say the use case of aggregate functions. Suppose you are working for an organization and they want to know ki, like I want the total sum of profits. They cannot higher executives will be right. C-suite executive. C-suite is nothing but CEO, CXO, CTO, VISA. Like they are the major heads of the organization. So if they come to you and ask I want they will be asking you the total profit or total average, or sum of profit or sum of average. Or like they will be asking the what is the maximum क्या maximum number, maximum profit number, or maximum average profit number. So they will be taking decisions based on the aggregated values only, right? They will not check each and every value of the row, or each and every value of the column, and they will not take decisions like that. They will be taking decisions based on the aggregated values only. So that is the reason why we will be using aggregated values very frequently and very much in MySQL. Like it is non-debatable. We will be using aggregated values every day in our real life in our real life situations. So this is a use case of aggregated values. And next from the next video, from the next session, we will be talking about string functions and date functions. Even date functions are very important, as well as string functions are also very important in order to clean the data. As an SQL developer or as a data analyst, we have to clean the data too in order to analyze the perfect data. So string functions as well as Date functions are useful in order to clean the data and organize the data in the in a nice organized manner. So thank you guys. This is all about aggregate functions. Next we will be learning about string functions and date functions.